In a world where missile power defines defense supremacy, two giants stand face to face, Israel and Saudi Arabia. From precision-guided strikes to long-range deterrence, who truly dominates the Middle East skies? Stay tuned, because this comparison will shock you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intense and fascinating comparisons in modern defense: Israel vs. Saudi Arabia missile range and strength. Both nations hold strategic importance in the Middle East and have developed powerful missile arsenals that reflect their evolving security priorities. Israel, known for its innovation and precision defense systems, focuses on advanced technology, accuracy, and layered protection. Saudi Arabia, on the other hand, relies on both indigenous programs and international cooperation to build its deterrence capabilities. In this video, we'll explore their missile range, strength, defense networks, and strategic advantages. You'll see how each country prepares for the threats of tomorrow, from ballistic missile systems to modern air defense shields. This isn't just about raw firepower, it's about strategy, reach, and reliability. So, buckle up and watch till the end as we uncover who truly holds the upper hand when it comes to missile dominance in the Middle East. Let's get started. Israel's missile power is a blend of cutting-edge innovation and proven battlefield success. The country's defense doctrine focuses on deterrence through precision and rapid response. Systems like Jericho missiles give Israel long-range strategic capability, while Delilah and Pepe missiles ensure surgical strike accuracy. The Jericho U-2, with a range estimated between 800 and 500 kilometers, stands as the backbone of Israel's strategic deterrent, capable of reaching targets across continents if necessary. In addition, Israel's air, launched and surface-to-surface missiles are integrated with its intelligence and satellite networks, allowing real-time targeting and coordination. The SPC-guided munitions and long-range artillery further strengthen Israel's versatility, capable of hitting both land and sea targets with pinpoint accuracy. Beyond offense, every missile platform is backed by advanced defensive layers, making Israel one of the most balanced missile powers on Earth. Each missile isn't just a weapon, it's a statement of deterrence, ensuring that any threat is met with overwhelming precision. This technological depth has made Israel's missile forces a core pillar of its national security strategy. Saudi Arabia's missile capability is growing rapidly, fueled by massive defense investments and strategic partnerships. The kingdom's missile program is built around long-range deterrence and regional power projection. Central to this arsenal is the DF-3A CSS-2 ballistic missile acquired from China, with an estimated range of 500 to 3,000 kilometers, capable of striking targets deep within the region. Saudi Arabia has also reportedly developed the DF-21 class, offering improved accuracy and payload flexibility. To complement these, the kingdom operates a range of surface-to-air systems like the Patriot PAC-3 and the TH-8 system, enhancing its defensive posture against regional missile threats. Riyadh's collaboration with the US and China has accelerated its missile modernization, while domestic initiatives under Vision 2030 aim to establish indigenous manufacturing and technology transfer. While Saudi Arabia may not match Israel in precision technology, its focus on range and deterrence ensures strategic depth across the Arabian Peninsula. Each step forward reflects the kingdom's intent to secure its skies and maintain regional influence. This combination of imported power and domestic ambition is shaping Saudi Arabia's place as a formidable missile force in the Middle East. When it comes to range, both nations play in vastly different leagues based on their defense goals. Israel's Jericho U-2 dominates in long-range capability, capable of intercontinental reach. Its Jericho U-2, meanwhile, covers ranges up to 500 kilometers, Saudi Arabia's DF-3A and DF-21 systems, while powerful, focus more on regional and extended range deterrence, covering potential adversaries in the Middle East and parts of North Africa. Israel's LOAR missile, with a 400-kilometer range, excels in precision and speed, ideal for tactical warfare. Saudi Arabia's strength lies in long-distance, high-payload missiles designed for broad deterrence rather than pinpoint accuracy. In short, Israel emphasizes quality and precision per missile, while Saudi Arabia focuses on quantity and reach. Israel's systems integrate advanced satellite navigation and digital guidance, while Saudi Arabia depends on imported targeting systems. The difference highlights their doctrines: Israel's swift surgical responses versus Saudi Arabia's strategic deterrent posture. Both nations, however, ensure that their missile coverage can project power beyond their borders, defining how far each can strike and how well they can defend. Israel's missile defense system is a global benchmark in layered protection. At its heart lies the Iron Dome, designed to intercept short-range rockets and artillery. Above it operates the David Sling system, targeting medium-range threats with exceptional accuracy. For long-range ballistic missile defense, Israel deploys the Arrow 2 and Arrow 3 systems developed jointly with the United States. The Arrow 3, in particular, can intercept missiles outside the Earth's atmosphere, creating one of the most advanced shield systems in the world. Complementing these layers is the Iron Beam, a laser-based defense system capable of neutralizing short-range threats at minimal cost per shot. Together, these systems form a near-impenetrable defensive web, allowing Israel to counter multiple simultaneous attacks. Integration with radar networks and real-time intelligence gives Israel unmatched situational awareness. It's not just defense, it's a technological fortress that continuously evolves. The success rate of these systems in real combat conditions has proven their effectiveness and reinforced Israel's position as a leader in active missile defense innovation. Saudi Arabia's missile defense framework is one of the most extensive in the Arab world, built primarily on U.S. and allied technology. The Patriot PAX-3 systems form the backbone of its defense, intercepting short to medium-range ballistic missiles and drones. Complementing this, Saudi Arabia has deployed the THA-80, a terminal high-altitude area defense system, providing high-altitude interception capability against advanced ballistic threats. These two layers create a strong defensive shield over major cities, oil fields, and military bases. However, unlike Israel's fully integrated network, Saudi Arabia's systems rely heavily on external data sharing and coordination. Still, the kingdom continues to upgrade its radar, command and control systems to reduce dependence and enhance autonomy. Continuous attacks from hostile drone and missile strikes have sharpened Saudi Arabia's defense response speed, pushing its operators to near real-time readiness. While it lacks indigenous systems like Israel's Iron Dome or Arrow, Saudi Arabia's defense partnerships ensure constant modernization and operational reliability. Over time, Riyadh aims to develop local defense technologies under Vision 2030, striving for greater independence and regional leadership in missile defense capabilities. Technology defines the future of missile warfare, and here, Israel leads the race. Its success comes from decades of research, collaboration, and real-world testing. Israeli missiles incorporate AI-assisted targeting, satellite-linked guidance, and compact multi-role platforms. Every component, from sensors to warheads, is locally engineered for adaptability. Saudi Arabia, however, is closing the gap. With significant investments in its defense industries authority and partnerships with countries like China, Pakistan, and the US, the kingdom is advancing in manufacturing and system integration. Yet, Israel's technological ecosystem remains unmatched in the region. Its laser-based iron beam, hypersonic missile research, and integration of cyber defense with missile systems demonstrate a holistic approach to modern warfare. Saudi Arabia's innovation focus lies in sustainability and autonomy, creating a base for future self-reliance. While Israel pushes the limits of next-generation weaponry, Saudi Arabia builds the foundation for long-term parity. Both strategies reveal different strengths. Israel's precision and innovation versus Saudi Arabia's vision-driven modernization, two different paths toward the same goal: dominance and protection. Missile strategy isn't just about what you have, it's about how and when you use it. Israel's doctrine emphasizes prevention and preemption. Its missile systems are designed for quick response, eliminating threats before they reach its borders. Saudi Arabia's doctrine focuses on deterrence through strength, showing capability rather than immediate action. While Israel's defense is rooted in technology and intelligence, Saudi Arabia's strategy depends on visibility and regional influence. Israel integrates its missile systems with its air force and navy, ensuring joint operations and coordinated strikes. Saudi Arabia prioritizes protecting infrastructure such as oil facilities and maintaining control over key regional positions. In essence, Israel fights smart and fast. Saudi Arabia secures broad and deep. This doctrinal difference shapes how each nation invests, tests, and trains its missile forces. Israel relies on precision deterrence. Saudi Arabia relies on large-scale preparedness. Both doctrines serve their geopolitical realities, and both ensure that neither nation can be easily threatened without serious consequences. The missile balance between Israel and Saudi Arabia extends beyond their borders. It influences the entire Middle East. Israel's advancements push neighboring states to modernize, while Saudi Arabia's buildup encourages alliance-based security. This dynamic creates both stability and competition for global powers like the US and China. These two nations are key defense partners in a region full of tension and energy resources. Israel's tech-driven military power supports Western interests in maintaining security and innovation. Saudi Arabia's strategic depth and resources make it a crucial ally in regional counterbalance. Together, their missile capabilities shape the Middle East's military equilibrium, preventing any single power from dominating. Moreover, their modernization programs inspire other countries to enhance their own defense sectors. However, this also intensifies the arms race in the region. As both nations continue upgrading, the world watches closely because their decisions ripple far beyond their borders, defining the next chapter of Middle Eastern defense politics. In conclusion, both Israel and Saudi Arabia have carved out dominant missile profiles, but with distinct strengths. Israel's power lies in technology, precision, and multi-layered defense. Its systems like the Jericho 3 Iron Dome and Arrow series are not just weapons, they're masterpieces of engineering and efficiency. Saudi Arabia's power lies in range, volume, and partnerships. Its DF series missiles and defense alliances with global powers give it strategic coverage and strong deterrence potential. So who's stronger? Technically, Israel holds the technological edge with proven real-world performance and self-reliant systems. Strategically, Saudi Arabia wields greater geographical depth and resources for long-term expansion. In the end, both nations complement and challenge each other, defining a new era of missile balance in the Middle East. The future will depend on innovation, alliances, and resilience, and both sides are preparing for it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Israel vs. Saudi Arabia's missile comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more powerful military analysis videos. Comment below why you think has the stronger missile force. Let's see your thoughts in the comments section.